After 2 years' wait, the BigJimny Meet occurred a couple of weeks ago at Tong. It was supposed to be a 50th anniversary meet, but unfortunately 2020 was a complete wipeout as far as the UK is concerned. Anyway, we managed to gather 80 Jimnys on the 4x4 course for the day out. Jimnys of all types and all generations, from the very first, the LJ, through the SJ, the Gen 3 Jimny and the Gen 4 Jimny were there. You'll see 79 in this video, although there were actually 80 on the day. I think we certainly laid down the gauntlet for all the Jimny fans around the world to see if they can get more than 80 Jimnys in one place at one time. Show us your videos. Parkwood, or Tong as it's also known as, is a site of about 100 acres, which makes it one of the larger sites around the UK for off-road driving. Here we are down at the lower end of the site where there are some streams and lakes to navigate through. Here is my own Jimny, which is a 2003 one. It's on a 3-inch lift, but with some spring spacers to bring it up a little bit more, so probably around 4 inches, and running 32-inch tyres. We are very fortunate in the UK that the modification rules are quite lax, and we're allowed to do some quite impressive modifications. The common one is to fit Toyota axles to the Jimny, which clearly make the underneath the running gear indestructible. The weak point of a Jimny is admittedly the axles and the diffs, so a Toyota axle really changes the whole game. These two are on both Toyota axles. So that's the BigJimny Meet for 2021 done. If anyone knows of any large sites in the UK that can easily cope with 100 vehicles spread across a large area with different terrain for new shiny cars and also fully modded ones, let me know. When suggesting sites, of course, please bear in mind travelling distance from people, how central it is, and accommodation around the area. If you like BigJimny videos, then press the like button and subscribe to the feed, and I'll catch you further on down the road.